Welcome back, and all Akpase TV show. Lamptey, Menamidi, Agugi Muchame, Minimia, upon Kyekyeku, aka Acheke, aka Honda Civic. Ena ete egwem. Ene asama abahade ete kure na eche polo. Ene Honda Civic mine. Washi check ye pene de wankwayi. Mr. Honda Civic. Meme wakwaba. Na dia semna bekache weti for said die na.
Adia chi nkwa de nesa asida.
Just atoye.
Asida ene de mo kase.
Ma usa wo brepa, se bitim so wo ble wo tumedi sam ketwa. Uju ti anye.
Enya sam.
Amsa da beje sade ti so mbeche ho.
Oh, enya sam. Enya sam ketwa na me ka wo so mu so promo code chichi no. One nice bet, no.
For sign worker. What's the use ni promo code? One nice bet.
We your first deposit, I benya 300% bonus.
Wow. Ebusia for sign ye call. Ye team for a soya sneno and I make a trono. Tab ya takum on a so ho. Womanina a soya sne. Shagzy. Techno so ever pa. Ebusia boy and I'm some yaho wobia or tiha. Die the biba. MC Huno, Yena, Yebon contain ya conhon ya cotina, no the same and a futu or the Bema yes, you have to be at the abo ye koto trim. And the dusty, baby, I will be at DJ Stream, ya church amuyipa. Mammy, ready over 2 of Fidino, Aqua no kakra. Yeah. Can you mention your name?
My name is Jessica.
Jessica from where?
I'm from Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. 50-50. My mother is a Ghanaian and my father is Nigerian. But I stay at Nigeria. You stay at Nigeria? Yes.
So can you speak Twi small?
No, but yes, somehow.
Somehow, but yes, somehow. Yes. Right? Dear Towo, anyone somehow person near Mansan, can you explain it to the air?
Yes, I can explain.
Okay.
The thing is, I'm from Nigeria. That's why I stay.
What the can but your name.
Nigeria, Jessica.
My name is Jessica.
Jessica what?
We from
Jessica Akurugu.
Akurugu Jessica.
Jessica.
Or the local kakra
okay, so 50-50.
50-50. And you bet me I understand. Jessica Akurugu. What happened to you? Can you explain it?
I have a friend. And she's from Ghana. Where she
please can you speak louder? Speak louder.
I should speak louder.
Yeah.
Okay. Where my friend called me for phone. Say Jessica, I get job for Ghana, so make it come to Ghana. There is plenty job for here, so make her come. I said okay. So I come out from Nigeria, come to Ghana. The day when I get here, she gets some woman for this place. Where the woman get big house.
Oh yeah.
You understand?
Oh, Betty. FM, media, FM, and Cassa. Oh, of Lamptey, media, one is a school, my coming Kaka.
I beg you understand?
Yeah,
so the woman get big house for Ghana here. So when I
miss why? We are me Jews.
May browse a baby story.
Oh, yeah, me Jews, so Mr. Civic.
So the girl come on me go to the woman house. Where plenty many girls there for the house inside.
Plenty.
Plenty girls.
There for the house.
Yes, not be many, plenty because I no go fit count.
Plenty days of Atia na one day.
You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
So I said, where be the job? Make us start now. So the job we want.
You tell Mama say where be the job.
Yes.
Or Mama tell you say where be the job.
I asked Mama say where be the job.
Be the job.
So I want to do the job.
Okay. Okay.
Papa, I don't know say the work be a shower.
Hey!
Now shower where the girl tell me say make I come Ghana get some work. It be a shower.
So then tell me there for Nigeria who take your transport?
I commot money for my friend's side where I don't take for transport. Okay, I come to Ghana. So I think say the work be something we can do this job 1 month they go fit pay me, but it no be like that. It be a shower job they won't carry me do.
If you are in Nigeria, which work are you do?
I don't do any work.
You are just
sitting house.
Yes, I dey sit for house because no be job now. Job no day.
Job no you come from Nigeria say job no day Nigeria. Na Ghana where you can get job.
Difo bi ene munyam
we no krom there.
Because say bia wo Nigeria won't even fa pampan sinite so nton de. But oba na tika mu ase de na abeti aka mu ya. Anka akwa obeton.
Na isi aji ene ye dey.
So to brofo no we ti so bisan brofo no. Waiting
happen for the story.
The story say I don't know what to do. I don't get any friend for this Ghana here. Because my mom there for north, you know they here. So I say make I start the work like that because I don't get any job. So I don't start the work when I get money, the woman come out the money, you know give me. When I go a shower where I get customer, I bring the money, the woman collect. You do I say one day I sit down and say make I use my man, make I use my brain because the woman want take all my money. So I shift myself. I dey shift myself. We go some place. We go some place. So in the evening I go to the street. I go stand for the street where they look for customers.
Can you mention the street name for me?
The street. Many street, Bremai Street, the Kronom Street. Many streets where I don't go for the street at night.
Yeah.
So one day I met one customer. He get money. Some big man will come to my place. Say he want me. Make I stay by his side. I say okay. So I don't stay with the man. The man don't chop me. Don't nag me for 5 months.
Chop you, no? Chop say bad 3 money. Which man can?
Na wo beti baka so na di ka te se fasi na ba se
tin am tse wo no na wo chi
na wo di ka te no ni twiri ke chop me no
chop be wa chop no
eti wo de be twa be kan say
se twiri me chop so wa chop
go fu na chop twi e dey
ene am tse nti twi no wo be kan se fa ne se wo na wo
fa
ne se wo na wo kire bro ni
na wo host to enti no wo ti English na person be twi no
ene ejire be isu di asata bi e be sesem wo
enye se bi a be chede bet wo ti English no fa be twi se na wo pe twi
na wo bi sam se meti na mse ni nyina
na mu se wo kure na buta be se
enti se no wo de fa ne se wo wisai se chop
me nim ni twi de
o se just die no di no
aso edie de
because he did say we him see
I say you don't knock me.
Knock. Knock.
Na knock no was say.
Knock.
I see and say
chop. I say
I get chop say bin walk out.
Na there.
I mean they say
no, not be that one. It's something where man and woman go.
Chop. Yeah, like medium yeah.
Don't knock me. I said don't knock me.
For 5 months.
So every day when he can he come on me go house, the way he knock me, no give me any money. I say okay, be my customer, so make I give him chance. He come back, where he knock me 5 months.
Come out, no chop money.
The man no give me anything. If I give me chop money now, but he don't give me money, make I put for my pockets.
Sabushafo ene ensema apie ha no enye nsem.
Okay, see there me kura mi.
Ano tiniye.
Mentiasi o.
Tiniye.
Another 5 months na ono da na wo.
Yes, wo Nigeria na yonku bi friend say omra na adwuma pai o Ghana. Hwe ofase be sasem we esi o.
Esi pa.
Wo se ono wadamfo bi wo ho no afrɛ wo say adwuma bi ana bi wa baabi. Brane nko. on hwe ya wokɔ abinya asem wan hwe ya wokɔ no woni madwuma ye kro eti mistake obey ye nse na so obisa ne se
adwuma bɛn na de bɛn
eti fabrofo bisa nse obisa na danfo ne se adwuma bɛn no
ade awale entima
ana say awale bisa na
emisa na now can you do na me me for bofu say
the time your friend call you say come to Ghana the job they here can you ask your friend say which job we go do
yeah
you mean the time
when your friend call you did you ask your friend the job you are coming to do
what
that's me kai na
anya drawing no be adrawing we na na mo
there be me say
I'm just what the me
kai no ofa ekire me see ani
no I no ask because it be my good friend so I think say it be good job way I can't do for Ghana.
But you do mistake.
So now what should we do for you?
So now the problem is that man we don't dump me for here. I no call him for many times. You know answer my calls.
You know the house?
And I don't know. It be some place where it carry me go. I come go down.
Now over any before.
A mawo.
Now over here before you
so back come with more. And I don't for being a cat and say omra na ejuma wa ha. Abuso for medical catch of Lamptey na make say wo your ba na wote ha no adam for be to kwa African country and I say Kuwait ne sa niema na no ofro say ejuma ba na bra bisam ye on asema akoto Jessica yi oba no nim sa asawo ejuma eno mode na bebo se se abeti akema ma na opese ojai se se ma me no so kire se wa antika na onko ordinary
be so 5 months
obi so dina ko se ba bia wo mu atwene dia 5 months
I say 5 months now so what time all the 5 months pass you don't collect any amount
I think say he be my customer so I won't give him
wo dey man no ya wa
customer say onene da mintire customer eduma so how can you see the money how can because you say you don't know the house
now I hear say you people you dey help people well
you dey call the number
the number I want take the number give you
you dey call
I dey call you know
so now if you go Nigeria you dey like
if you get Nigeria you go
I want stay for Ghana
you no go
no I no go I want stay for Ghana where
you want stay for Ghana but you know money no dey your side
waiting
dey stay Ghana
I want better job we make I do now I want start
you no get hand job in Sanuruma for apprenticeship
on with you about see how I share me no ono yi insanu
which your dream job
what we dream job it is in any pet
obenya ko which your dream job
I no get dream job
na so no at all
job say I won't be a business woman
which business
where I go sell things now
things like
the shed where you
close things
yes
that's what
I don't do boutique
na say boutique e ko die ni mu kwaje ni mama na wo ko wo
o da bi le wo ko di we e kire ko mi ni no ko die ni mu so ti we
me ba cho mani abre o share I'm serious mani abre pa
say etitwi
abusuafo asema abahane no enya grokra
wo so unim ni pa no unim ni fie ya ba ifo ni ya rekoma ku no
ba di kan ka se show ye na ko city bi so Simwa figure ne fato me di abudie me kira no ye from of Lamptey ni nua opon Kyekyeku aka Honda Civic and ababa we asem ya aba beto hey in fact they say was so no was person be sa akọ na chi because ade pa bia ni na chi anka wonya adwuma wa ha anka obeye na anka ojai sebe asawo no minia ekwa ba so ne be fa so a ye be boa obey you na film opasebe so be kire wadwene kaka
ye work and viewers ni tie yen obu o wa make say o she the business as no bi a ono so dream say bi ono so be kokwan so say ye we o den tare be me say na ibi na sha say ba we no be ono no huresi no wo be bo akwa fe no bi ko bo container na na container bo da form Ethical, you are helping. It's so much, too much.
It's too much.
Yes, because you said
your cost.
Your cost, because you want
cost.
The money.
So somebody go feel go help you.
You know go feel help.
You know go feel help.
Wait till you say you want new shop. Wait till you want
close. If you want shop, nobody go help you.
Okay, any money where you go, you fit carry give me. I go try for my best.
Just that's what you say.
So for your faculty, and I will obey and now, Baba, why you and fat to her. My dick cat so you are banner with fear. Nasa, you could be to climb up a fidget to catch us at the bra. One she and a sow. Ena odewo kwako bokekere ene abaye abatiaka mama no sese wo sese de waye ena ode na asem abedan akwasi TV yesu yeguso epem wama no we aba ana bibisa na wo na abenya baabi amnasta na emwo bia wo pese ode bua no bia no fresa number we de egu screen ase no fre na wo mbo bia yemfa mwa ababa we wa point check ma men ko me comment na se kakra na ye behwe na emboa mentie me comment kakra na jo abusuafo osi ye frɛ no dako a oton emu ene aduane e brema UGC wosi se ya oboa obi se ya ma awiase nipa na sesa ne nema e de adwane kanye saa anka obeboa no ono so asema odi abetu dwano no yensantie de otoso die otoso nso ye fa na Alex meman oso oto TV ne ayi otafu yanka wose again ho ye no mobo na ye mua no ne ma wo eya na again nso why mistake yesen ko bisa na otro no twi ya
and I kind of simple sir eh ne why are they twi
Matias mi aha ebeji em se blofo beji everyday amame
we ne hoya
blofo
wan kai
we na mi hwe di ne ko achi so he so ya achi so he
top shatter and then what day
was say ne wa woni
I say was say top shatter to the free Canada was say yo this girl you are so too much pricey your price was say the price no so how come we say you want to start a business but you want a container full of clothes?
You want a container
full of clothes before you start your business. Hey boy
ne wan chon English
and this want to speak English. Hey boy when you watch me share ahana be page 3 you go to Canada crowd be Nina we won over ku
you come to the wa
share you watch there ahana be page 3 mama for some free work on me nyakwan ina wo
yo yansan kom yenu nso kan na memfa ma no ensi Davido oso wa Accra Davido anya de owo Nigeria no we de owo Accra no ose obefa oba no obeboa ne bi but enye fu ni nyina oso obeboa no Shatawali ade ne comment about Shatta the top Shatta one down was say mami utra ye ose wono de oboa ghetto boys a omini bi emi enye ojo no obi anka hwe adwuma na ose ope no obabo se container se store na ope no obema ne bi no afa ne ma aguma ma no ama ne de aye adwuma
do you know Shatawali?
Yeah, I know that musician. I know.
Na de musician to Raskuku was see again asem na woka no ono ebi akoto ne da we hasla onhwe emage no so hiamoa onhwe so benenam etu ono Raskuku ono so befa ne ma se ne nwa Shatawali eso obaje store na container ono so betua sika ono befa ne ma agum na emom ge ni nhye ye wansa o chi ni street a ge no beti po
comment there so really full trim Mr. Peter have comment aba family
hey share family wono ne bo wose mitie nipa no anka manye ye wose ono de oni sheka na ono so beboa obi
incredible music so for be ama incredible music dancer
Debbie
and one drop comment
abuso boy akase ye di agre da chi a ye be hwefram ofasebek wanyamwa ka wanfana sema ma me dan sometimes to me be kase o wasem be dan radio a o ton wasem ba mpanyi sese wan ton ya de nso
you go back to the business and show business.
No, I don't want to go back. I want to do this business boutique.
I know como boa this kind of man now was I could chase your show business
why you be bun
ke be boa jineme nyina
eti
You know about
You beat me.
beat, yeah.
What's so tree? What is Hannah has said the beat?
I can catch around.
Eti mami yesrew wanya aboafo ye mpese wo mobabua no besa akogire street ne so na wakoye yesa niema no esa yabubefu yi pa e the problem ebeboa wo enti dasene
A day today
obeba me kan no akira se blow for judge dasene
a day today
obeba
you come
then ebeboa bo sika ni nyina no
you gather all the money
near the amount
give it to you
na adwuma opesa wo de kwaye no
the job you want to do
nya de se empeso obegina se wo adwuma nim biem
we are not going back to the business the shower business again
yes I yetiwa
or else we catch you
asembeto
a problem will meet you
it yesre no
we are begging
said you didn't assemble that red way
yes una we chire metika be kan titi say
I mean said ye
as
the nas
your problem
some
problem
better
come to
red way
radio
sir
that's all
and the other one
will help you
Okay, thank
it's
you.
onka
so say
nako
your fight
nako
fight
wakuma e fight
so onka akoma o say akoma
way mi
o say akoma wanka akoma
nako
for man so say akoma your heart desire
ye jana sibe
desire no for kotwi no
pa ko se
oh
enti
what's that turning here there
ye da wase da se ne no ye be flow
Thank you. I really appreciate everything.
today aso na be kan church for no mo board dey asida na de mo
Shatawale is a musician.
na no nim to
Oh.
10 million lashes but I no cry 10 years but I no die
onima de kro
I hear that music before.
you know go fi show me nothing bring us I go bring my tortoise
He's the one who sang this song. If your boy no
he's
like
the one he song
come to me, I like you.
chop love like this
Oh, I understand.
o penny je campo
na when you know
campo
your age
what about your age
26.
abo
so that's your street age is that your street age
I be 26.
which is your rare age
26.
62 or 26
so abo 20 na hano
obu 26 unya be 30 to 40 39 40 can o kwere sister ade 18 unya 30
ene sister ene wago enti ene hwene ja street ne ko awu swapa de ene wago
after the
ya shawon wa ba mo ni ase awurawura mu sa
after the boutique
after
the boutique you are not going back to the show business okay
No.
if you go back we are going to create the boutique the things the clothes and the boutique
abinya no wo beton kra adwane Nigeria
and then you to now go Nigeria
No, I'm not going back to Nigeria.
but how was your
That musician.
whiskey those
abi piki dey your side
Huh?
piki
is your
No,
man
I no get picky.
you no go get piki you get piki
No, I no go.
na o to piki na say
piki do ya dey o tere he
abi so for say na ye no na ye nyina ye dey agro e dey afam ye da mo say na that's a ne ye the special guest ever ye da mo say be
na me ka mo say we use promo code cheche one SBet use the promo code cheche one SBet
You go bring money,
go bring money
I use that one too, I go get money.
yeah
what the okay
so also be use promo code cheche no
sister I'm sure you sure so what 26
obo
Well, I be old lady.
can you do like this obo
36
ya the best ya
36
Kuntani was it
Kata mobi akinkani nye. Watermelon ye di chinchin gabe ye.
watermelon ya di chinchin gaba eyiye wa bra watermelon so ke fa chinchin gaba ene yiye kia de tip
Bienu mete bienu na ready. Ati chain
kan wie
bobu bienu na koshi. Speed bienu na kopim. Yeah, ma be kun yo.